dismal. Now for the tests. Here's a picture few young people can have seen. A Cambridge crew being beaten. Yes, but by a Cambridge crew. It's the trial 8 at Ely and amounts to the first lineup of the men who propose to beat Oxford for the umpteenth consecutive time. So they think. But Oxford have got a surprise for him in the shape of Mr. Massey, who cocks his B crew at Henley. He's a midget who only weighs about 4 stone. It's a darn good idea to have a cox who weighs next to nothing, though an outboard motor would be better still. Dave Levine is having his revenge on Dean Detton, world heavyweight champion, and one of his ideas is to